Hey, so this is long overdue, but I shot out apps to 6 UCs for transfer applications, and let's get right into it. I'll be starting at Berkeley and the at Santa Barbara. Let's get it, hopefully. First off, we got Bears right here. Let's see decision below. Keep replying. Unable to offer you. Wishing all the best in your next endeavor. Next up, we have Davis. We would like to place you on a wait list for fall. Wow, I didn't even have to open up the portal for this one. Next up, let's see. We have Irvine. Irvine, view status update. Irvine, regret to inform you. Wow, this is reading like a job application type thing now. Let's see. Should you believe you have new and compelling evidence to support an appeal, you may choose to appeal. Interesting. As a first. Next up, we have UCLA. UCLA with 28K applicants, and then Berkeley had 22K for 3,400 seats. Ooh, and then the regret to inform you, of course. Next up, we have Tritons with San Diego. Let's see. Careful review for fall 2021, 140K. Probably encompasses like everyone, maybe. Not quite sure, but we'll see. Unable to offer you, unfortunately. Wishing you all the best. I think everybody's wishing you all the best, but thank you again. Let's see. Here's last one. Carefully considered. Not able to offer you admission. Competitive process. Apply for fee. Or best wishes as you pursue your goals. I feel like all these say like regret to inform you, and then like best wishes or like some alteration, and then mentioning it's like a competitive process. No worries, but that's about all for today. If you stayed till here, thanks for watching. Don't forget to be awesome.